With respect to alcohol, the answer is that if somebody is in some form of recovery, or if they are engaging in some sort of program to assist them, you cannot generally discharge them for being in that status. The issue is a little different with drugs, because prescription medications may be protected, illegal drugs generally are not. Nevertheless, the issue that normally arises when you're dealing with someone with substance abuse is that their conduct in the workplace is being impacted by their abuse. And so the first question you should ask yourself is, how do I identify the abuse, and should I speak to the employee in some way, shape, or form about my concerns? The second part is, how can I best address this? The federal government, under the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, and civilian employers under the Americans with Disabilities Act, as it's been amended, have issues when they discharge or discipline employees who have alcohol and substance abuse problems. It's a complicated issue. The short-term issue is, can you punish people for misconduct in the workplace? Yes. The long-term and the more important questions for when employers see me is, what do I do with somebody who's got an alcohol or substance abuse problem in the workplace? Depending on the seriousness of the conduct, it's going to drive different answers. If the conduct involves illegality, such as embezzlement, can I discharge an employee? Yes. Can I discharge an employee for merely being an alcoholic or a substance abuser? That is a little trickier issue. In all these situations, I think that the interplay between employment conduct and particularly federal law, though some states have it, like District of Columbia has the DC Human Rights Act, the interplay is complicated. And so, unfortunately, like most things in law, the short answer is yes and no. A lawyer can help you find out which is the more likely answer. And in that respect, I think when this issue comes up, a lawyer is a valuable tool to make sure that you do some things that protect the privacy of the employee, protect the business's ability to conduct its business and the safety of its employees, and protect you from any sort of claims that you have violated federal law.